got it. Oh.
This is my black racer eating a ringneck.
And it's been pretty good. There he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes. He's biting it. That's so funny.
He's hungry, dude. Black racer wants to eat, but we keep messing with him.
Don't grab him. Just let him be. Poor little ring snake.
He's food.
How much do you think you could sell ring snake for?
Like $1.
That one's like
He always bites him like in the middle.
that one just wiggles around. You just gotta wiggle him.
Oh, he almost had the head. Okay, leave him alone. He's not gonna bite the ring neck when you have him in your hand.
Will he open up his mouth?
He's got it. Let
Yeah,
go
but
of the snake.
He's not gonna eat it though. He might. No.
You want to bet, dude? I guarantee it, because that's what they eat in the wild. They eat rat snakes and stuff. Things that they can overpower. There he goes.
Again, here he goes. He's moving.
Dude, he's
He can sense it. He can sense it. Right now, he's about dead.
There he goes. That's so awesome.
God, dude. He's just killing you. You know when he's up on...
He's not doing it to eat. He's doing it because he's pissed. Otherwise, he would have killed it when he bit it. He would have purposely... He's trying to burrow into the ground.
He's gonna grab it.
I think it's your mom. You have to call her back. Wiggle
There it goes.
again. Actually,
It's-
ooh, there's a hole in them. It's got a hole.
He wants to eat it, but it's...
There he
A
goes again. He's
blind-headed
going for
child.
it. He's going for it.
Yeah.
He's pulling back a little bit.
Yeah, here he is.
Who is that?
I don't know.
What's wrong with that? Hello? Adam, I'm not allowed to sleep over at Adam's house, but I was wondering if they could sleep over at our house.
He was starting to swallow it.
Yeah, but it's Adam and his buddy. His buddy,
Buddy.
It's our
Buddy.
my friend. too.
Buddy.
No, we can set something up. We slept on the couch last night. I could have one of them let them sleep out in the living room.
There he goes.
Dad, we caught a baby black racer and a ring snake, and we're watching a black racer eat the ring snake right now. Yeah.
Doesn't seem like he's gonna eat it right now, so thanks for watching
You got
this
my snake
video.
and mouse?
Bye.